In today's video, I'm going to show you a new cryptocurrency that you can mine for free inside the Wax blockchain. And surprisingly, you just need a Telegram channel for you to do that. But first we go forward, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. I do have 10,393 subscribers. Please help me reach that 15,000 this month. And also, this video is sponsored by Counterscam. So they are also going to revolutionize the world of shitcoins. So this is a coin that will create their own auditing platform to reference that the tokens are safe according to their high security standards, as well as expose scams to the public so you can avoid being scammed. So there's a lot of scam coins out there, and they're aiming to help those people not to get uh, rug again. So for more information about counter scam, please check that description, the link that I've put it into the right side of the screen. So let's just get started. So DAS of Telegram magically mining a new cryptocurrency. So this has been released into their official news into the Wax blockchain. So this Medium article will explain what is DAS and how you can obtain this one. So it is a mineable token based around social messaging on the Telegram platform. So mining a token simply means that you can earn various cryptocurrencies by taking part in specific activities. In this case, mining DAS is as simple as communicating with the Telegram community in DAS approved channels. Although there are many servers that support this new endeavor, the Magic Dust channel specifically is designed to discuss and celebrate the asset itself. So, for you to start mining, what you just need to do is go to your All Access wallet. So, I'm going to type my All Access wallet here. And then do not forget to copy your account name. So this is my account name, x2ebm.wam. So after you've done that, just join their Magic Dust channel. So this is free, okay? So open the link into the new tab and then open the Telegram group. So this is their Telegram group right here. Let me just show it to you for a moment. So this is their Telegram group. So what you just need to do here is, of course, what you need to do is you need to type in, I forgot the code here, the sync. Okay, you type in the sync, and then you type your WAM address. So that's how simple it is. Okay, and then there will be a notification that will says a wallet for this user has already been sync. So this one is free, okay? So once you're synced on one server, you do not have to sync for any others to start earning dust. So each time you message in one of the dust approved channels, you will mine 0.5 dust. Although it doesn't seem like much, a new twist has been introduced and implemented. So Dust wishes to reward the users who are making this endeavor possible, those who believe in and support this new project. So each partner company that allows Dust mining on their Telegram servers has the opportunity to create custom, unique NFTs as limited edition collectibles that actively and positively affect the mining process. If the user collects one of these NFTs and is holding it in their sync wallet, it acts as a multiplier on their earnings. So the additional amount of the currency being mined varies from 1 to 2.5 USD. So dust. So this one is pretty much good because you're not actually limited to get 0.5 dust. However, you need to earn a few NFTs for you to be able to get more dust. So the partner mines include but are not limited to Nifty Wizards, Bitcoin Elite, Blockchain Heroes, and Tops GPK. So what you just need to do is just open this link into the new tab right here, and then you will be redirected into this DApp website, wherein when you click this Telegram group, you can just join their Telegram group as well. So this is the Nifty Wizards lobby. So what you just need to do is just go interact, go sync your Wax wallet, and that's how easy it is. Okay, so what are the more information about DAS? Okay, so they are currently into their beginning phases. With the time and traction gains, they are wishing to expand to other forms of social media, including Discord and Twitter. So the goal is to add new value to all aspects of the internet, expanding the blockchain in such a way that anyone can use it without previous knowledge or complicated tech. Excuse me. Earn resources for doing what you do every day anyway. So doesn't that sound great? So as you can see here, they are still on the early phases of the game, and it is free. So what are my thoughts on this one? Okay, I think that this magic dust token is good. Okay, because first of all, you don't need anything to start. What you just need to do, just sync your wallet, just interact with people as well, and you will get free dust tokens inside your wallet. And now, if dust actually settle pretty much higher, okay, let's say that dust has been pretty much priced better in the future, then probably you can make some money on this one. And of course, it is free. Okay, that's the bottom line here. It is free. There's no CPU needed onto this part right here. It is also legitimate because it is being posted into the Wax Medium, which of course the official Medium page of the Wax blockchain. And of course, you can see all of the news into this part right here, which I'm going to show it to you right now, which is here. Let wait for a minute. I'm going to show it to you. Okay. So you can see it into this part right here. It is on the Wax News. So this is legit. So if you like this video, guys, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. That is it for this video. Please help me reach that 15,000 subscribers. That will really help me a lot. So that's it, and see you on my next video.